guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I did something blue because I now have blue in my hair. So I wanted to go exactly with that because I've seen so many pictures when people color their hair different colors, especially a fashion color. They do their makeup to match their hair and it looks so cute. So this is what I did. So if you guys want to see what I used to get this blue look, please keep on watching. Okay, so to start with, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506. Now I'm gonna pick up Cola from the James Charles and Morphe palette. So I'm gonna put that on my outer V, blending in slightly into my crease, but not too much. And then obviously blending on my waterline, creating a V section on my outer. Using the same brush that I just cleaned off, I'm going to pick up Brother from the James Charles palette and kind of put that, blending that with the blue that I just put on my lid. I'm gonna go in with Punch Me from the James Charles palette and put that into my crease and blending that with the blue as well. Okay, now picking up a Morphe M166 brush, I'm going to pick up Canvas from the James Charles palette and just put that on my lid where I don't have shadow, blending that blue line that I have on my lid as well. Okay guys, I went ahead and put my lashes on off camera as well as my eyeliner, and for whatever reason somehow I got eyeliner on my arm. Anyway, okay, so now that I did my lashes and liner off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and start my foundation routine. a detailed brush, I'm gonna pick up Punch Me from the James Charles palette and put that on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my blush and my contour routine. Okay, for my lip color, I'm gonna combine Kylie Cosmetics Candy K and then the NYX Glowy Gloss in S'more Please. That was today's look, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed as well, and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I post something new. I'll see you guys in my next video. Blue vibes everywhere. This is the first time I've ever had color in my hair.